Hello everyone, welcome to Inteli-fix electronic tutorial channel. For today's topic, I'm gonna show you how to use DMXcat tester in three ways. Okay, so one online mode, two live mode, and three is picture control mode. Okay, but first that I would like to invite you to watch this video for more information. To turn on, just press and hold the button in the middle. Okay, we have a torch as well that you can use. Hold and release to turn it on and off. The tools is powered by a rechargeable battery. So this is the torch and this is a belt hook. This tool has a 5-pin DMX. If you need to use it for 3-pin DMX, you need to have a gender bender, 5-pin to 3-pin as shown in the picture. Okay. If you want to build your own gender bender, you can do it. Just follow the configuration shown in the screen, or you can buy it online. You're gonna need this gender bender for if you want to check a picture with 3-pin DMX port. The first time you use your application and link it to your DMXcat, it will ask you to turn on your location. After pressing the scan button, it will pop up. Okay, just click yes, and it will ask you to turn on your location. Just turn it on. I don't know why, but it's location, but it is what it is. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the cable that we can use or connect to our DMXcat tools. I include this to this topic because I don't want to forget it, just in case. And those cable that you're gonna see later will help you a lot, okay, when you are doing the testing. Okay, so basically this is a gender bender for to test a 3-pin fixture. You have a 3-pin port DMX port. And this one is if you have a picture with the very end cable, no, the one that doesn't have connector at the very end, no. So this cable uses a Wago connector on the other end. Okay, so I use this most of the time. And this one is DMX 5-pin DMX to 3.5 millimeter plug, no. So I created one video for this, especially for this connector. Please watch it. Okay, so this type of cable are used for the transmitter, DMX transmitter pack, no? So they use a 3.5 millimeter jack. Obviously, you need a 3.5 millimeter plug so you'll be able to set up your pack. And this one is a 5-pin DMX connector to RJ45. And this cable are used especially when they use a cut cable for a DMX line or medium going to the picture. Okay, so I created one video how to do this and how to use this. Please watch it. And this type of cable can be used also to read the nodes output. Okay, because most of the time the nodes are using RJ45 or yung Ethercon port connector. Okay, let's crack on with our main topic, which is the actual testing of our DMXcat tools application to the lighting fixture. So model today is a SGM P1 G1 hyper-rated picture. No, this picture doesn't have a display, so setting up of DMX and personalities are impossible if you don't need any software or application. Okay, in our case now we can use our DMXcat. Okay, this type of picture are operated. That's why they don't have a LCD display. No, they are a POI picture or permanent outdoor picture. So basically they are a weatherproof and vacuum sealed picture. Okay, so in order for you to set up is to use a DMXcat or any tools, addressing tools, so you can set up the DMX address and personalities of the picture. It depends on what you how you patch it to your lighting console. Okay, so later I'm gonna show you step by step how to use our DMXcat from top to bottom. And at the very end of this video, I'm gonna show you the RDMs of this fixture. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so our DMXcat is already connected to the fixture, and later in a few seconds, we're gonna begin uh, navigating the application, and I'm gonna show you each uh, way how to use them. Okay, you remember I told you three ways how to use them, and one we're gonna start from the online. I call it online because it needs internet connection. In my opinion, this is the easiest way to use it. Okay, so now you have your application, your mobile phone, turn on your Bluetooth and connect or pair your mobile device to your mobile phone. Okay, so this is what you see on your Bluetooth screen, mobile screen I mean. So it's easy to pair, just pair it. Okay, once the pairing is done, open your DMXcat. Okay, this icon here, and this is what you see on your screen. It's view icon. Now once it's detected the picture, you will see some icon that populate on your screen. Okay, this is because it detects your picture already. But before you can use it, you need to connect your application to the DMXcat before you can use it properly. And now everything is connected. Please tap RDM. And now you will see this. Okay, click on the line icon to highlight the fixture, and you will see it moves. And tap here on where the DMX address to see the mode and the personality of the picture. Okay, so it's detecting 12 channel and 161 is the DMX address assigned to the picture currently. Let's begin using online mode. Okay, so open your app, then click on your RDMs and click on the DMX icon. Okay, just wait while the thing is loading. And now it brings you the parameter setting. Okay, this is your dimmer, turn it on, but the lights will not come on, or the intensity will not come on until you put the strobe, or we call it shutter on. Okay, strobe. Okay, some picture is, we call it colps in some parameter. This is the pan. Okay, and this is the tilt. Okay, I didn't tilt it fully so we can see the lens properly. Okay, and this is your focus, which is on already. Okay, so right. Okay, and let's see the color. Okay, and we have gobo in focus parameter on this one as well. And you can also see the green one, the green oval shape here. These are the additional function that you can do in this parameter window of the online mode. Okay, and this picture has a color macro as well. Okay, so these are the gobos. Okay, yeah, again one more time, let's pan and tilt. Now you've seen all the function. I would like to tell you that after you use this, you need to go to live mode and clear all your DMX, because otherwise it will create problem when you put the lights or connect the lights to the DMX or to your rig. Okay, it will do the test mode and it will let the other fixture. Okay, so just click on the live mode here and you will see the parameter open here, and hit 3 dot and clear all. Okay, and you will see the picture will go to home position. Okay, let's use the offline mode. Okay, or the live mode. Okay, tap on the DMX address of the picture, which is 161, and it will give you the keypad mode. You can just change that to slider mode so we can see it properly. Then tap on the right icon, left icon, and go and tap 161. Okay, sorry. Then the first address is the strobe and the second is the dimmer. If you remember the first time we use on the online mode, right? And this is the pan. Okay, the one channel beside it is the tilt. Okay, tilt function. And remember, this picture is using 12 channel, right? So from 161, it should end up to just count 12, and that is the last, that is your last address. Okay, then after you use, same thing, you need to clear it. Okay, clear all. your parameter. So you release the picture from test mode or the highlight. Okay. Let's use the third function, which is the picture control. Hit on the database and it will give you the database or the library of all the picture that this tool is capable of testing it. So thousand of models are there, okay, on the list. Just look for the one that we are currently using now, SGM, and enter the model or the type, which is moving heads, and select the model, okay. So DMX personality 12 channel and put the address of 161, okay, and you will be able to see the same parameter we use on the online mode. This is the one. So if you remember, it's the same thing from the online mode window, no? So but this time we done it from the database. We search for the picture, and again we need the internet for this one. Okay, it's the same thing again. After you use this, don't forget to go back to live mode and clear the parameter by pressing the three dot on your top right button of the screen, okay, and clear everything. Okay, this time I'm gonna show you how to read the RDM. Okay, same thing, just go to your application icon and click on the RDMs, and there's another RDM icon over there, and now it will give you the first page of your RDM. Okay, tell you the model and the address and the personality, and the second one is the information, third is the sensor, okay, the pan or the heat sensor of the picture, okay. The next one is the lamp counter or device lamp counter. Display, you can turn it off, but this one doesn't have display. Control, you can do reset, warm, okay, and manual settings, CRMX, log off, okay. And you can turn on your lamp here. And again, don't forget to put it off after you use it, okay? Right, and this is your RDM, how you read the RDM of your picture, okay? Then go to live mode and hit clear, okay, clear all, okay? So don't forget, this is very important. Every time you use DMXcat, don't forget to do this, otherwise you will leave your picture in the test mode, okay. This one is basic setting, okay, when you are addressing your picture and setting your DMX personality up after you patch it to your lighting console, okay. Basically this is the DMX addressing tools that I'm talking, but you can use it depending on the manufacturer. You can use other software or the manufacturer software. But if you have these multifunction tools, your life is way more easy. You can use it in any brand or picture. You can also check DMX signal, send or receive. You can check the level, and you can also measure the RF. And this tools also has a DMX calculator for to the that you can use to the picture that uses deep switch kind of readdressing and setting up the mode picture, okay. So this is very handy multifunction to have if you're a lighting technician, okay. It is a bit expensive but worth it. DMXcat is the best for me. It's easy to use, user friendly, very handy, and the battery lasts. It's lasts like I don't know how long, but it's like I tried 7 days without charging and still working. And the torch is very strong, huh? It's nice. It's very bright. Okay, so I love these tools. They have released a new version of these tools, which is DMXcat Tester E, DMXcat E series. It has more function and more advanced. It allows us or a user to view and send Ethernet protocols, including the ARNet and the streaming or SACN protocol. Okay, so this model also you can also perform the testing of pipe in XLR. Okay, on this type of on the newer version. Okay, You can also check the RJ45 cable. And the best thing is you can also check the PoE voltage, okay, on this one. Okay. Also, the same TNA MIDI can be read as well. So that's more advanced. I used this in one of the ships where I worked before. And to be honest, I really love it. I wish someday I can buy one of these tools, because at the moment, the reason was why I was able to show you this kind of tools and the functionality is because I'm in a workplace. Okay, so basically this tools is not mine. I'm just using it in my workplace. So I decided to share it with you. And again, I would like to tell you that this tool and the lighting fixture that I use in this video is not mine. Okay, this is just my tools in my work area. I only wanted to show you guys the functionality of this very wonderful tool, should I say. So one day I will buy these tools. Okay, at the moment we have some priorities, but one day we will buy this. All right, everyone, thank you for joining me for this very short video and a little bit of discussion about this amazing invention, DMXcat tools. You're the best. I love it. Oh, before I forgot, I would like to apologize for my grammar and accent. English is not my native language. But thank you all for being with me, for supporting this channel. And that concludes our discussion today. Thank you once again and God bless to all.